Summer is here, and it's time to refresh your home with bright, airy, and stunning decor. From stylish outdoor spaces to elegant DIY projects, we've got the hottest summer decor trends of 2025 that will transform your home into a seasonal paradise. But wait, number 7 on this list is a must-try idea that will instantly elevate your space. Stick around so you don't miss it. Let's dive in. Let's kick off with the biggest interior trends that are taking over homes this summer. Say goodbye to heavy winter tones. This summer, soft earthy tones, ocean blues, and warm neutrals are making homes feel breezy and fresh. Adding pastel accents or refreshing white decor is an instant game changer. Nature-inspired decor is one of the biggest trends of 2025. Think rattan furniture, woven baskets, wooden textures, and eco-friendly materials to create a refreshing summer ambiance. Outdoor summer decor. Summer is all about spending time outdoors, but what if your backyard or patio doesn't feel inviting? Don't worry, we have incredible summer decor ideas to turn your outdoor space into a stylish oasis. And wait until you see idea number 6. It's a game changer for small spaces. Let's dive in. 1. Cozy and functional outdoor lounge spaces. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a cozy outdoor sofa with soft cushions, warm lighting, and a refreshing summer breeze. Sounds amazing, right? Let's make that a reality. Key ideas to try. Invest in weather-resistant furniture with neutral summer tones. Use oversized floor cushions for a casual boho vibe. Hang outdoor curtains for an elegant touch that provides shade too. Statement: outdoor rugs and textiles. Did you know that adding a bold patterned outdoor rug can completely transform your patio? This simple trick adds texture, color, and warmth, instantly making your space feel inviting. Trending outdoor textiles for 2025. Boho patterned outdoor rugs in earthy tones, sheer flowing curtains around patios or pergolas, woven macrame table runners and throw blankets for a cozy touch. 3. Outdoor lanterns and string lights for a magical glow. There's nothing more magical than a summer evening on your patio, surrounded by soft, glowing lights. Adding lighting can instantly upgrade your backyard atmosphere. Trending lighting ideas. Solar-powered lanterns for an energy-efficient glow. Fairy lights wrapped around trees or pergolas for a dreamy vibe. DIY hanging mason jar lights for a unique rustic touch. 4. Garden-inspired outdoor dining setup. Why settle for a boring patio when you can create a gorgeous outdoor dining experience? Imagine a long rustic table, fresh greenery, and candles. It's like a mini garden getaway. How to set up a summer dining area. Use a wooden dining table with natural centerpieces. Add outdoor-friendly dinnerware in soft, summery hues. Decorate with potted herbs or fresh-cut flowers as a centerpiece. 5. DIY budget-friendly outdoor decor. You don't need a huge budget to make your outdoor space look stunning. Here are some easy, affordable decor ideas that will make a big impact. Easy DIY outdoor decor ideas. Paint old furniture for a fresh summer look. Create a DIY garden wall with repurposed pallets. Upcycle glass bottles into outdoor vases or lanterns. 6. Small space outdoor hacks. Must try. Don't have a big backyard? No problem. These small space hacks will make even a tiny balcony feel like a summer retreat. Space-saving outdoor ideas. Foldable bistro tables and chairs for compact spaces. Wall-mounted planters to add greenery without taking up floor space. A vertical garden on a fence or railing to maximize greenery. Which outdoor decor idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you're loving these summer home trends, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Summer table decor. Whether you're hosting a summer gathering or just want to elevate your everyday dining experience, these stunning table decor ideas will instantly make your home feel fresh and stylish. And wait until you see idea number 5. It's the easiest way to create an elegant summer tablescape in seconds. Let's dive in. 1. Vibrant and fresh summer color palettes. A table setting isn't just about plates and napkins, it's about setting the mood. And in 2025, the hottest summer color trends are all about vibrancy and freshness. Trending color palettes for summer. 2025. Coastal blues and crisp whites for a nautical summer feel. Earthy neutrals and soft pastels for a relaxed boho look. Bold citrus hues like lemon yellow and coral for a Mediterranean vibe too. DIY floral centerpieces for an elegant touch. Nothing says summer elegance like a beautiful floral centerpiece. But instead of expensive flower arrangements, try these easy and budget-friendly floral decor ideas. Floral centerpiece ideas. Floating flowers in glass bowls with candles for a romantic glow. DIY mason jar vases with wildflowers for a charming farmhouse feel. Tropical palm leaves and orchids for a modern, exotic tablescape 3. Themed summer table settings for every occasion. Want your table to look like it's straight out of a Pinterest board? Try these themed summer table settings that will impress your guests. Trending summer table themes. Boho chic, woven placemats, macrame runners, and muted tones. Beach house style, white and blue hues with seashell accents, lemon grove. Bright yellow tableware, fresh lemons and olive branches. Rustic farmhouse, wooden chargers, soft linen napkins, and wildflowers 4. Statement table runners and layering techniques. Want a quick way to elevate your table? Just add a statement table runner. Layering textures creates a high-end designer look without breaking the bank. Layering techniques that work. Use a sheer white linen runner for a light, airy summer feel. Add a woven or macrame table runner for a boho chic vibe. Layer a patterned fabric over a neutral base for a bold statement 5. Quick and easy centerpieces you can make in seconds. Need a last-minute summer table refresh? These super easy centerpiece ideas take less than 5 minutes to put together. Quick DIY centerpiece ideas. Fill a large bowl with lemons and greenery for an instant Mediterranean touch. Use glass jars with fairy lights for a soft evening glow. Scatter seashells and driftwood across the table for a coastal feel 6. Outdoor dining. How to create the perfect backyard table. There's nothing better than eating outside on a warm summer evening. Here's how to set up an outdoor table that feels cozy, stylish, and welcoming. How to style an outdoor dining space. Use weather-resistant tablecloths and stylish cushions for a relaxed setting. Add hanging lanterns or string lights to create a magical atmosphere. Incorporate potted herbs as table decor. Bonus, they smell amazing. Which summer table decor idea was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more trending home decor inspiration, hit that like button and subscribe to never miss out. Front porch and wreath decor. First impressions matter. Your front porch should reflect the beauty of summer. Here's how to make it stand out. Summer wreaths for front door. Swap out those winter wreaths for something fresh. Floral summer wreaths, eucalyptus wreaths, or even DIY rope wreaths are trending this year. Best summer wreath styles for 2025. Lush floral wreaths. Big, bright, and full of seasonal flowers like sunflowers, peonies, and hydrangeas. Eucalyptus and lavender wreaths. A perfect minimalist chic look with a fresh scent. Coastal rope wreaths. For a beachy vibe, try a DIY wreath using nautical rope, seashells, and driftwood. Citrus-themed wreaths. Lemon and orange accents are trending, adding a fresh summer feel. Front porch. Styling ideas. A well-styled front porch sets the tone for your home, and this summer, it's all about layering textures, patterns, and nature-inspired elements. Let's explore simple, high-impact upgrades that will make your porch stand out. Trendy front porch ideas for 2025. Vintage-inspired porch. Add antique lanterns, rustic planters, and a distressed wooden bench to give your entryway a timeless charm. Minimalist modern entryway. Keep it sleek with neutral tone seating, a clean-lined planter, and a statement light fixture. Garden-style porch design. Surround your entrance with lush potted plants, hanging flower baskets, and a vertical herb garden. And there you have it. This incredible ways to style your front porch and door for summer. Which idea are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning home decor trends. That's it for today's Summer Decor Ideas 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trending home decor inspiration. And if you're looking for even more ideas, check out our other videos on DIY decor and seasonal styling tips. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy decorating!